Hello guys, what's up? So in this video we are going to see an alternate app to YOLO and how to use that app. So I'm in Snapchat now and this is the app. This is called LMK. In the Play Store it will look like this, an anonymous poll for Snapchat. Okay, so let's open this one. So this is the opening screen. LMK always update the screen with the new stickers, so you can see them here. To start, tap on new sticker. And here you will see ready to use sticker provided by LMK. You can use them directly from here without any edit. So here you can see anonymous message, you can see photo poll, you can see normal polls. There are a lot to choose from. Take your time to browse them all. For now, let's start with message me anonymously, the first one. So once you choose your sticker, you have few different options, like you can change the background like this. You can choose between different colors. And you have option to change your bitmoji also. Then you can change the sticker color also. There are a few different color to choose from. And if you have some particular question in your mind, you can do that also. Just tap on the edit button and edit your question. You can write whatever you want, and once you are done, you can send it to Snapchat. So for now, let's go back and check some other features. Okay, so let's check the second sticker. It's a poll. Let's select it. When you select it, on the bottom you will see a dice button. You can tap on the dice button and you can see random sticker from the app. Take your time and roll the dice until you find something that interests you. Now again, like we did before, you can change the background color, you can change the bitmoji, and if you want to change the sticker color, you can change that one. And if you want to go for a new edit, you can do a new poll. So let's go back and check some other feature. Okay, so let's check the third one. It's a picture poll, and let's share it to Snapchat. Okay, here in Snapchat you can record a video or you can take a picture. I take a picture. Now you can resize the sticker or you can position it somewhere you want, and once you are done, you can send it to your story. Okay, let's discard and check something else. Okay, so we are in the opening page. Tap on new sticker. Now on the top left corner you will see a plus button. This is a custom sticker button. Tap there and you can create a poll. You can create a custom poll. Okay, let's make something. Likewise. Okay, you can create a photo poll. You can add photos, image, emoji, bitmojis. Okay, let's add bitmoji versus emoji. Likewise, give some question to your photo poll, and once you are done with your question and your poll, then you can share it to your Snapchat story. Okay, for now let's discard this and let's check anonymous message. You can write whatever question you have in your mind and then you can share it to Snapchat. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you like this video. This app LMK, let me know, was an alternate to YOLO. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.